Open your mind to receive, for the universe eagerly awaits to shower you with the limitless prosperity that is rightfully yours. This was said by Catherine Ponder. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and success, while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, in her groundbreaking book, Open Your Mind to Receive, Catherine Ponder unravels the mystery behind this phenomenon. She shares an amazing quote that holds the key to unlocking boundless wealth: "I am receiving. I'm getting it now. I'm getting all the wealth the universe has for me right now." These words have the power to transform your life if you truly embrace them. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a truly fascinating story to share with you, one that will leave you inspired and ready to embrace abundance in your own life. So grab a seat, relax, and get ready to dive into the incredible world of Catherine Ponder and her secrets to unlocking unlimited prosperity. Trust me, this is one video you don't want to miss. Now, let's talk about the mistake that the woman in Catherine Ponder's book made, a mistake that many of us unknowingly make every day. You see, she wasn't mentally prepared to receive the abundance, wealth, and health she desired. It's like having a treasure chest filled with riches right in front of you, but you're not ready to open it and claim what's rightfully yours. Catherine Ponder's teachings offer profound insights into the art of opening our minds and embracing the prosperity that the universe has in store for us. She dedicated her life to studying and writing about the law of attraction, specifically when it comes to prosperity, and her book, Open Your Mind to Receive, is like a treasure map that guides us towards experiencing abundance in all areas of life. Imagine this: you're a treasure hunter, and the universe is the ultimate treasure chest. But here's the catch: you need to be ready to receive that treasure. It's not just about saying affirmations or visualizing your desires, it's about being mentally prepared to accept the blessings that the universe wants to bestow upon you. So here's a powerful exercise that Catherine recommends: take a moment to reflect on your own life. Are there any beliefs or conditioning that might be holding you back from fully receiving abundance? Maybe you've been conditioned to believe that you don't deserve wealth or that it's selfish to desire prosperity. Acknowledge these barriers and make a conscious choice to release them from your mind. But here's the real magic: in the comments section below, I want you to share words of prosperity for yourself. Declare it boldly: I accept all the prosperity the universe has in store for me. By doing this, you're aligning yourself with the limitless possibilities and abundance that await you. It's like sending a clear signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. Now let's address a common question that often arises when we talk about prosperous thinking. People wonder if the success stories shared by Catherine Ponder are actually true or just made up. It's understandable to have some skepticism, especially if you're new to this concept. But here's the truth: Catherine assures us that for every success story she includes in her books, there are countless others that remain untold. The possibilities of prosperous thinking are vast, and the results are so numerous that they can't all be listed. To illustrate this, let me share a story from Catherine's book about a housewife who had been practicing the law of attraction for years. She recently discovered a mistake she had been making: she kept referring to her income as a fixed income, unknowingly limiting her expectations of financial abundance. Once she realized this, she started affirming daily: I am receiving. I'm getting it now. I'm getting all the wealth the universe has for me right now. And guess what? Within hours, she received a call from a local cable company inviting her to discuss the possibility of creating a series based on the material she had already developed for disabled children and learners. Not only did this opportunity bring substantial income, but it also opened doors to even more prosperous ventures. Her retired husband's business started booming too, with customers flocking in with furniture repair requests. Money seemed to flow from all corners of the universe. These stories serve as a powerful reminder that when we shift our mindset and embrace the belief that nothing is too good to be true, incredible things start happening. We begin attracting opportunities, resources, and abundance from unexpected sources. It's like the universe responds to our newfound readiness to receive and showers us with blessings. Let me share a real-life story about Alex, who experienced a remarkable transformation in their life by embracing the principles of prosperity and abundance. Alex had always dreamed of financial freedom and success, but they felt stuck in a cycle of limited thinking and self-doubt. They would often find themselves saying things like, "I'll never be wealthy," or "Money is always a struggle for me." These negative beliefs held them back from realizing their true potential. One day, Alex stumbled upon Catherine Ponder's book, Open Your Mind to Receive. Intrigued by the concept of opening their mind to abundance, they decided to give it a try. Alex started incorporating affirmations of prosperity into their daily routine. They would repeat empowering statements like, "I am a magnet for wealth and success," and "Money flows to me effortlessly." As Alex continued to practice these affirmations, something remarkable started happening. Opportunities began presenting themselves in unexpected ways. They received a call from an old friend who offered them a partnership in a thriving business venture. This collaboration not only brought financial abundance but also provided a sense of fulfillment and purpose. But the journey didn't stop there. Alex's newfound mindset of abundance opened doors to even more remarkable experiences. They attracted influential mentors who guided them on their path to success. Through networking events and serendipitous encounters, Alex connected with individuals who shared their vision and helped them reach new heights. One day, while attending a conference on entrepreneurship, Alex met a renowned investor who was captivated by their innovative ideas and passion. Impressed by Alex's vision, the investor decided to fund their business venture, enabling them to expand their operations globally within a short span of time. Alex's company grew exponentially, creating job opportunities and impacting countless lives. Not only did Alex experience financial abundance, but they also discovered a deep sense of gratitude and generosity. They started giving back to their community, supporting various charitable initiatives and inspiring others to pursue their dreams fearlessly. Today, Alex's story serves as a testament to the power of opening your mind and embracing abundance. By releasing limiting beliefs and cultivating a mindset of prosperity, they transformed their life from one of struggle to one of tremendous success and fulfillment. Remember, my friend, you have the power to manifest your desires and create a life of abundance. Embrace the principles shared by Catherine Ponder and start affirming your own prosperity. Believe in the limitless possibilities that await you and watch as the universe conspires to bring you wealth, success, and joy. If you found this story inspiring and want to learn more about the law of attraction and manifesting abundance, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're here to provide you with regular videos that empower and support you on your journey to a life of prosperity. Remember, you are deserving of all the wealth and success the universe has in store for you. Open your mind, embrace abundance, and create the life you truly desire.